Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our Tai Chi training. It's Tai Chi Yin-Yang Push Hands Level 1, so there's no footwork involved. But before we get there, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest training videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
So we had done the Tai Chi Yin-Yang Qigong and the solo practice in the air. So there are two methods to this. We're going to demonstrate both. So using it now as a partner drill. So here we have the up and down line. So in the Tai Chi, we're going to have one circle and then the circle moving in another direction. So from here, we're going to face each other, and we're going to start up top. So from here, I'm going to press. So when you came up the circle, we turn, right? Push down, rotate up, turn, push down. So from here, I'm going to rotate and push down. And right from here, my key is my palm. Work my way in, and then I work the inside of the S. Now, Keith is just going to return it. So as he gives me force, he pushes down, rotates, opens his back for palm, and we move up. So I'm going to take a deep breath in. From here, I'm going to exhale as I push and lift. Inhale, exhale, other side. Comes in, push, and lift. So you can keep the hand on the chest, or to really make sure you activate the palm, you could hold it by the dantian or the lower abdominal region. So again, from here, I push. Here's my palm. I drop, I move up. So I have a large circle here, and like we had done in the Qi coiling, I rotate and press up. Opposite side, push, rotate, and press up. So no footwork here.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.